Okay, so today we will start our new lesson on your science, that is on lesson number 9, rock and soil. You all know what are rock, yes or no? A stone, based on stone, okay? And soil means the uppermost layer of the earth, that is the soil that we step, that we walk, okay? So in this lesson, we will learn how soil used to form, and we will learn about different type of soil and its name and also its importance. Alright? Okay, lesson 9, rock and soil. Our earth is made up of rocks. Underline this, earth is made up of rocks. The rocks are made of hard materials like marble. Underline all this. Different type of rocks. Material of rocks are marble, granite and sandstone, and soft materials like clay, sand, gravel and silt. In fact, underline till here, okay? In fact, the rock include everything that is present on the earth. So whatever is present on the earth, everything include as a rock. Okay, rock is include as everything that are present on the earth, and these are some of the materials that we get to know. Okay, all this, so underline all this. These are some of the example. Granite, the looks of granite is this. See, all these are rocks, but it have different shape, different color, okay, and different materials. Once there were huge boulders of rocks all around the earth. These rocks started breaking gradually into smaller particles by the action of natural forces. These smaller particles make up the soil. So here it says that once before, a huge boulders of rock, a big huge rock was there all around the earth. But the rock started to break. It started to break into pieces, gradually into smaller pieces, okay? Well, through the action of natural forces, that is, it might be through wind or through rain, through water, okay? So this is how it turn into a smaller particles, and these smaller particles make up the soil. So after the huge rocks break down, it turn into a pieces, and those small pieces turn into a soil. Okay, so it is, let us see how the soil is formed. Number 1, see, soil formation. Soil may be defined as the relatively loose material on the earth consisting of fine rock particles. Soil is formed very slowly. It may take thousands of years for the formation of a layer of a few centimeters thick. So soil, it may be loose material, okay, on the earth. Why it says that it is loose? Because as you all know, when we dig the soil, when we dig the land, the soils are very soft. Yes or no? So it is considered as loose material. Alright, we cannot say that rocks are loose, because rocks are rock. It's a piece of a stone that we cannot make it loose. It is not a type of cotton, alright? But soil, it is loose. We can make it, we can turn everything into ashes also. Loosely we can spread the soil, okay? So here it's how it says, and soil also, it form very slowly, okay? And here it also says that it may take 1,000 of years, many years, on the formation of layer of a few centimeter thick, the soil to turn into a formation of a thick layer. Alright, you can see action of wind, action of water, and fine soil. You can see the differences here. Action of wind. When the heavy wind comes, it might blow the stone, or because of due to the high temperature of the wind that blows, it might break the stone into pieces, and so those small stone pieces turn into a soil. And here, through the action of water, by carrying the soil, carrying the stone, water may carry this, and it might break from here and there and turn into a soil. And see, after the storm break, it turn into a fine soil. Okay, so these are the examples. Now the next page. Wind, water, ice, and heat of the sun slowly change and break down rocks. This is called weathering of rock. Underline this. What is weathering of rock? Okay, when the rock pieces become very tiny, they are called soil. So how the soil change? Wind, water and ice, and also the heat of the sun, it change and it break down the rock into pieces. Okay, and so that is called weathering of rocks, and these pieces, it became into a very tiny piece and turned into a soil. All right, now constituent of soil. Soil is a mixture of many things. It has different minerals of different colors that remain of plants and animals, some amount of water, air and tiny microorganisms. Okay, so here it says soil, it is a mixture of many things. Okay, and under this the minerals have a different color. As we can see that when you travel, when you go in a different places, you can find the soil. Some soil are soft, some are hard, and also it have a different color. Some are black, some are like a type of orange, reddish, and also whitish. Okay, so those are different type of minerals of the soil. Okay, and also the dead remain of the plants and animals which are dead, it decompose, and also some amount of water, air and tiny microorganism, it includes in the soil. Because of this, the soil it turn into different color. Okay, according to the mineral. All right, so only this much we will do. The rest we will continue in our next class. Okay, and moreover, in our previous class we have finished the lesson of safety rules. So I'm going to send you the notes in the class group. Okay, only 3 questions, so write only the question and answer that I give you. The rest no need to write. All right, and submit all the exercise work on time.